Farmall A. Oh, I don't know. I don't know that there's a Farmall. I don't think it is. I never saw a Farmall with a single front wheel. I'm not sure what it is. I didn't hear what they said. There he goes. Got her tight.
We're going to have a few announcements here as Jim Slick and the Uptown Country Band take a 1-minute break here. They are playing right now inside the White Entertainment tent, so come on over and they'll be playing until 12 noon.
There you go. Another 1966 Oliver. He lives up around Radnor, up our way. That last Oliver 66 did fantastic. He smoked it. There we are. $15 a hook. Let's see what he, oh, it wasn't tight. Uh-oh. I suppose he's going to smoke it too. That last 66 smoked it all the way 214 feet. Let's see how far he goes. No, he's bogging down. He's bogging down. He's about done. Really? 122 feet. Nope. He's done. He's done. Yeah, that's it. Alright, let's pause. We got purple Farmall getting ready to pull. It's a C Farmall. Again, all in the 3,000 pound class. This is the last of the 3,000 pounds I'm going to video till they get to the Allis-Chalmers. But anyhow, we got a good looking tractor, babe. They love the tractors. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. Everybody loves the tractors. See what this C does. Farmall C. And then here's the Allis-Chalmers coming up after. That's straight shifter, so it's, I don't know, WD or what it is. There he goes, getting ready to tighten his chain. There he goes, he got her. Perfect start. He's not spinning any. You don't want to start off revving it up and spinning your wheels, then you'll be done, you know. Once you start slipping, you'll never be able to get good grip again. Nice. Farmall C in the purple.